Hey YouTube. Today we're going to be talking about installing the rear carrier for the 2025 Honda Rebel 1100 DCT. I purchased the kit to actually install this myself when I purchased the bike. So this is everything that comes with the kit. You've got the actual rear carrier here. You can see it's got a couple of bolts to install it. We've got some spacers, the nuts that go there. We've got the bar end weights. We'll talk about those a little bit later. And depending upon the accessories that you're going to be installing on your bike, we've got some other parts here. We'll put in the we'll put a little screenshot up in the video to show you exactly what you may need depending upon the accessory you need to install. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, for the tools that we're going to need for this installation, you'll need a T6 and a 12mm socket wrench. We're going to take the T6 and we're going to remove the four bolts here. You've got two on each side. So we're going to just remove those and be right back. All right, we are ready to install this on the bike. I'm just installing the rear carrier. I don't have any other accessories that I'm going to be installing with this. So I'm going to use the smaller bolts and the spacers. And you can see I've already applied some Loctite to those. If you have other accessories that you are going to be installing with your rear carrier, we're gonna link that screenshot again to show you those instructions and the actual parts that you'll need. But the kit, they do provide those parts here as well. So let's get it on the bike. You can just thread the bolts through each end of the rear carrier here, line it up on both sides. It can be a little finicky, just making sure that everything gets lined up correctly, but for the most part, it shouldn't fight you or anything and should just go on through. We'll just get started on this side, update on the other. Okay, the rear rack is all installed. It looks great. It's torqued to arm strength, so if you want to refer to the service manual, you'll find the actual torque specs there. So make sure you refer to that if you are interested in that, making sure it's torqued correctly. But everything looks really good on the bike. And let's talk now about the bar end weights that came with the kit. Right, you're going to need the T8 to go ahead and remove the stock bar end weights. Stock bar end weights are right here. And you'll notice immediately, if you look at the bar end weights that came with the kit, there is a significant size difference. The stock kit has a much larger bolt. Everything is just much bigger. What we have here in the kit, it's just not going to fit. That's not going to work. So if you know anything about that, if you've heard anything, definitely let us know in the comments. But yeah, we're going to have to reach out to Honda and see if something can be done about that because it's just not going to work for the bike. So we'll be putting the stock bar end weights back on for the time being. and we'll update you if anything changes or if we learn anything about it. So if you like this video, give us a like and consider subscribing.